Tonight's reality check investigates another political ad, this one done by a third party. Now, the ad focuses on health care, specifically the state's BadgerCare program. We the People Wisconsin fact finder, News 3 political reporter Jessica Arp checks the claims as part of the We the People Wisconsin project.
What does Republican Scott Walker want to do with BadgerCare? A group of nurses thinks they know, but first.
You should know that the Greater Wisconsin Committee paid for and produced the ad. It's a liberal political action committee, health care reform among its chief issues.
Walker wants to cut up to 350,000 children and families off health care, calling it an example of government waste.
This needs clarification. Walker told News 3 in an interview last October that BadgerCare has turned into a, quote, entitlement program and time limits are needed to save money. He said he wouldn't cut people off immediately but would phase them out as they got jobs. However, last month he reversed his positions and said he misspoke and doesn't want time limits. Walker now says he'd like to, quote, reform BadgerCare, returning it to the original intent to serve the truly needy and perhaps change income requirements.
What does that mean for those in BadgerCare? Well, it's hard to say. Walker won't commit to specifics. But about half of the 770,000 people in the program have been in it longer than 2 years, a mentioned time limit, and the bulk of them are children. About 400,000 people in the program are employed or are the spouse or child of someone who is employed.
Walker wants to use the money to pay for his promises for corporate tax loopholes and tax breaks for the richest 1%.
This needs clarification. Walker has never said he wants to trade BadgerCare cuts for tax breaks, although it's true he does want to roll back the combined corporate tax reporting law, as well as get rid of recent tax increases for families making over $300,000.
Walker points to BadgerCare as a place cuts can be made to help balance the budget, but he's never quantified those cuts, so we don't know if they would cover the cost of the tax changes. I'm Jessica Arp with this News 3 Reality Check.